I didn't end the live. I was playing music and they fucking cut me off. Because that's what they do. And they do it quicker now. They used to let you play for like 10 minutes. Now you can't play shit. And I have to play only my fucking music that's not even on. Like, they're forcing me to leak. Every time I get on here, I complain about the fact that... that I can't play music.
What the hell? I stuck a whole bag of jelly beans up my ass. I stuck a whole bag of jelly beans up my ass. I stuck a whole bag of jelly beans up my ass.
Like, this is all we can listen to now.
I stuck a whole bag of jelly beans up my ass.
Because we don't have the rights.
I stuck a whole bag of jelly beans up my ass.
To every other song.
I stuck a whole bag of jelly beans up my ass.
There's nothing else to listen to.
I stuck a whole bag of jelly beans up my ass. I stuck a whole bag of jelly beans up my ass. I stuck a whole bag of jelly beans up my ass. I stuck a whole bag of jelly beans up my ass.
Like, what am I supposed to listen to?
I stuck a whole bag of...
Bratz, help me. Bratz just came in here. Ooh. Welcome to my ASMR. Oh. Oh. That shit feels kind of nasty. And also it like stains your hands. It's a slime. Hi, Josh. Joshua Weissman went to my, we went to elementary school together. Wait. Yeah. Elementary school together. Also, we were like very good friends. Should I leak something? I'ma do it. I'ma fucking do it. I was thinking of leaking wet vagina. Oh.
Nigga. Suck.
You know what I mean?
Oh my God. Suck.
I have a fart sound too that I like. And I pair the fart sound with cupcake moaning. It's like, oh! I really don't understand why there's no way around just like playing music on live. Like, nobody's getting paid to be on this. Like, why do I look like what? Ooh. Thank you, Bratz. Don't even know why Watch me get banned. I'm gonna come right the fuck back. It's not my music. This is Baby Sosa.
Don't even know why you love me crazy. Don't even wanna try. No wanna know what you all about. Don't even know why. We should only talking now. Don't even know why. We should what they talking about. We should what they talking about. We should they talking about us. Tell me, baby, why you think I'm crazy? Still on me, know he can't afford you. Don't know why he tried. He driving me crazy. He driving me crazy. He gave me the headache, and you shut that shit down. And you gotta get your head right. Sometimes I don't know, don't even know why you love me crazy. Don't even wanna try. No wanna know what you all about. Don't even know why. We should only talking now. Don't even know why. We should what they talking about. We should what they talking about. We should they talking about us now.
Oh. This stuff is fun. Wait. It's getting on the floor. Don't even know why you drive me crazy. Don't even wanna try. Ah! Ah! She is jiggling. She is jiggly wiggly. Jiggly wiggly wiggly. Ah! Mm. Slap that shit. What else? What can we do? I don't have shit to say. I might just leave. Wet vagina. Move like I got. Move other way. Move other way, 'cause here comes giant. Alright, I love you. Alright. You know what I mean? Move other way, 'cause here come giants. I'm gonna slap that shit. Look at it. Bitch, like, wait a minute. Okay, I'm out of here. Fuck this shit. This is